Psychologists suggest people start forming a respect or ignore judgment about you within seconds, often before you've said a single word. Meet Daniel. Smart, hardworking, always the first to help. But in every meeting, his ideas got ignored. His coworkers talked over him. His boss forgot his name in emails. Daniel wasn't bad at his job. He was invisible. And deep down, he started to wonder, is it me? It wasn't. Daniel had fallen into what psychologists call the likability trap, the belief that being nice earns respect. But research suggests respect and likability come from two different signals. Likability comes from warmth. Respect comes from perceived competence and control. Let's be clear. These principles are about mastering confidence and communication, not manipulating or harming anyone. You've seen this everywhere. The coworker who speaks less but gets listened to more. The friend who says no once and suddenly gets treated differently better. Respect isn't loud, it's controlled. Some psychologists believe this connects to an old survival instinct, one that once helped groups decide who to follow and trust. Here are 9 subtle shifts that quietly reshape how people perceive you. Secret 1. The pause before you speak. A 2-second pause before responding makes you look unbothered, in control. Watch Daniel in his next meeting. Someone challenges his idea. He pauses, looks at them, then calmly says, "Let me finish my point." The room shifts. People start listening. Secret 2. Strategic disagreement. Constantly agreeing can lower your perceived value. In a friend group planning where to eat, the one who says, "Actually, let's try something different," isn't rejected. They're remembered. Secret 3. The boundary reset, and this one changes everything. Coworker keeps interrupting you. Calmly say, "I wasn't finished. Let me complete my thought." That single sentence reshapes how they treat you from then on. Now let's move fast. 6 more shifts worth knowing. Secret 4. Slower speech. Rush talking signals nervousness. Think of a manager who pauses between words during a tough announcement. The room takes them more seriously. Secret 5. Fewer apologies. Saying sorry for every small thing quietly erodes your value, like apologizing for asking a question you had every right to ask. Secret 6. Steady eye contact. Breaking it too fast reads as submission. Holding it a beat longer during a handshake instantly changes how confident you appear. Secret 7. Not over-explaining. The more you justify a simple decision, the less certain you look, saying, "Just I can't make it," beats a 5-line excuse. Secret 8. Controlled reactions. Staying calm under provocation signals more strength than any comeback. Think of the one person who doesn't raise their voice in an argument and somehow wins it anyway. Secret 9. Walking away from disrespect. Tolerating it to keep peace often invites more of it. Leaving. A toxic conversation calmly often earns more respect than staying to argue ever could. Here's the twist most people never see coming. None of this is about dominance or making people afraid of you. Fear creates distance. Respect creates connection. These shifts work not because they intimidate people, but because they signal something deeper. Self-respect. And self-respect is something people sense, even if they can't explain why. That's why the loudest person in the room often isn't the most respected, and the quietest one with calm eyes and steady words often is. Respect was never really about controlling others. It was always about controlling yourself first. Daniel didn't become someone else. He just stopped shrinking. He paused before reacting, disagreed when it mattered, enforced boundaries without apology. Within weeks, the same coworkers who once talked over him started asking for his opinion first. Because respect isn't given to the loudest voice. It's given to the most controlled one. If you remember one thing from this video, you don't earn respect by proving your worth to others. You earn it by refusing to abandon it yourself. If you want to understand more hidden patterns of human behavior, psychology, and dark psychology that can help you navigate real-life situations more wisely, make sure to subscribe to Human Mind Signals and join us for more mind-opening videos.